Press the bell icon and never miss an update from Bollywood Now.
Like he said, so I've been in the film industry now for 5 years, and just want to ask you guys, इतनी देर क्यों लग गई यार आईफा के लिए मुझे बुलाने के लिए? क्यों? So I've actually had to earn my ticket to IFA, and I'm glad I'm here. My first year, got a lot of stuff planned. But besides that, we've got a host for IFA 2017 on stage, the coolest daddies in town. Both are new dads. It was Father's Day yesterday, so I want to wish both of you all Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day. सब लोग wish कर दो यार. So my question to both of you all is, how are you going to daddy this award this year? I mean, how are you going to, what do you guys have in store for IFA in New York?
How are we going to daddy this award? I've daddied you for 5 years. I think I can do a fair enough job. Saifu, how are you going to daddy this award?
It would be a very painful thing to pass.
Yeah.
Better to daddy than to mother, I think, you know.
Yeah, I suppose so.
It's a very jagged award. I think to pass it as a mother would be very painful. I'd rather father it. So yes, I think, no, listen, it's wonderful to be chosen and to be part of the hosting duo, because I think we all function also as ambassadors when we do it, from our national carrier to our movie stars to our hosts. So I'm really looking forward to hosting it with Karan, who is so witty and wonderfully intelligent and sparkling. And I hope I can keep up with him.
No, you'll be amazing. We have done this before once, I think. We've done a minor bout, but this one's a big one.
Yes.
Yeah.
This one's a big one. It's in New York. So because it's my debut, I have so many questions to ask you all, especially you, Saif. I know that IFA is also known, ये सब आप लोग को पता नहीं है, but it's also known क्योंकि जब award show खत्म हो जाता है, तो बहुत parties होती है, backstage parties होती है. So मैं गया नहीं था एक्टर के तरीके से, मैं बहुत छोटा था, तो मुझे इनवाइट तो करते नहीं थे लोग. But what are these backstage parties about? Well, I'm sure before you were married, you would go to these parties.
Even after being married.
Oh, okay.
This is the, you know, this year I think we have Mr. Salman Khan performing, so you'll find out.
Oh, okay.
Yes. I think, yes. I mean, it's great fun. It's a wonderful time where we interact with fans and people, and everyone's quite relaxed, especially after the event. And, you know, everyone's a little charged up if the performance gone well, which I'm sure it will. And we celebrate. We celebrate. Yeah, we do celebrate.
The wee hours, into the wee hours of the night.
We'll only start celebrating in the wee hours. We're going to finish the show at about, what, 2 a.m. or something?
Yeah. Go on.
I think a very key question, and I might I mean, I hope the organizers don't get upset with me for asking this question, is that सब लोग पूछते हैं हमारे Indian award shows बहुत लंबे चलते हैं. I want to ask you all both, since you all are the hosts, how long is IFA going to run for? And it's a live show. It's a live show. पहली बार बहुत सालों के बाद live show है.
4 hours.
4 hours.
4 hours.
It's a live show, so I think they have a cap on timing. It won't go longer than 4 hours.
It'll start with the red carpet, and then
Green
going into
carpet.
the awards. The green carpet, sorry, the eco-friendly green carpet. And then as we go ahead, it will be only for 4 hours. My second question, Saif, for you again is that while you're on stage, you know, as actors, when we are performing, we sometimes forget steps.
Yes.
It often happens.
Yeah.
So
no.
What?
Never,
Oh, you never
happens.
Never happens.
No, never happens. I memorized the script. It's going to be perfect. It's live, so there's no question of last-minute editing.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, there is no question of that. But if you do forget a step, I mean, if you're doing any step like you would do, like the ole ole step or anything.
Very easy. You have to take off your shirt.
Okay. You take off your shirt and that's it.
Wave at the girls.
Wave
at the boys.
Who you saying that to, Saifu?
To him.
Yeah, so I mean, that goes with the territory.
Can we give them one example if we are doing like one step and we forget it?
Well, I'm not taking off my shirt.
No, we don't take out any shirt. We don't take out any shirt. We pretend like we've taken off a shirt. And what do we do? How do we interact with them? The crowd to like...
Well, like you're dancing and then you forget and then you just walk up there, you know, and you're like, hey, baby. And you lift up your shirt like this, then you kind of take it off and then throw it into the crowd and be like, you know, hey, you know, yeah, that kind of stuff. Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to have a problem if I forget my steps. Because there's no shirt going to come off.
Karan, with you always on stage, there's a certain amount of humor expected, always, because you're, like Saif said, you're extremely witty. And so what kind of humor are we expecting? Do you change your humor with the city? Because now I was with you at the Dream Tour in New York, and you were like really out there. I mean, Karan took us by surprise with his jokes. We didn't expect it. He spoke in 5-6 different languages, which we didn't know he knew, and really like excited the crowd. So for New York, do you have anything in store? Like anything you're going to speak in any language? That
no, not particularly for New York. But I think when you actually host, I think it's very important that you be just that, a host. You forget what you do.
But you do take over.
I mean, it's not about taking over. It's about actually the chemistry that...
He does.
Oh, that's good.
You
can say
again,
my
he'll be
lines
very
as well.
happy about that. I'll just be reading all the sponsor names out and Saif will be staring beautifully into space.
Yes,
This
that's
is
gonna
a
happen
lie.
at some
करण
point.
जौहर जी बहुत इम्प्रोवाइज करते हैं जब स्टेज पे है, बहुत ज्यादा इम्प्रोवाइज करते हैं और फिर कुछ काटना पड़ता है हमें, बट दिस
नहीं,
टाइम
अभी तो
बिकॉज़ इट्स
लाइव है, लाइव है, बिल्कुल नहीं काट सकते हम. No, but I think it's not about playing to New York or to London or the various wonderful locations IFA has hosted. It's actually just making sure that your script is audience friendly, because you're not only just connecting to the 40,000 people in the audience, but to the 40 million people who will eventually watch it on television. So you have to connect to the viewer in every which way. And so your script and what you say, and I always tell people, like, of course, Saif is a veteran, he's done so many events, but I always tell people, when you're hosting, look at the prompter only for your look to camera. Don't keep connecting with people, because eventually you're going to be on television and you're going to be talking to the viewer. It's a minor tip. Hosting tip.
because I always get lost, because whenever I'm performing, and only my mom from my family wants to come and see my performances, and I always see her and she, like, for some reason she's sweating or she's nervous कि अब कुछ गलत करेगा, अब गिर जाएगा, something will go wrong. So even if I'm dancing full like this,
But I have the same feeling when I watch you also. I also get very worried, because I feel that in your excitement, besides your shirt, many other garments also might come off. So that's my big fear, because when Varun performs or does anything, he has no sense of self-control. He goes mad. But that's what's great about him, because he plays to
surrender,
the
man.
gallery.
I surrender to the music.
Yeah.
Surrender to
I
the
surrender.
music.
You surrender to the music.
Yeah,
Considering you didn't
surrender.
sing it, I don't know why you're surrendering
No,
to it. But anyway.
You can dance and surrender as well.
And the last question which I want to ask you, Karan, especially, is that, are you going to be dancing at IFA 2017? I mean, because we've seen you dancing, especially on the Colors channel.
At some point,
with-
man.
Yeah,
for sure.
because he's
I don't know how
really
public
good.
it'll be, but he will dance. Yeah.
No.
Will you shake a leg? I mean, you
No,
are
is
really
that
good.
in my
yeah,
contract?
Andre,
Yeah,
what
I'm
do you
supposed to
say?
dance?
What do you feel? Yeah.
Oh, we're both going to dance. Okay. I didn't think we were paid enough then. No one told us that we were going to dance. No, I don't think, I don't know. No, it's not at all. No such thing. No, I will not be dancing.
But he'd be happy to. You know he'd be
Yes,
happy.
of course.
I know he is going to. I know.
Yeah.
I just thought he'll tell us which song, but okay, that's a surprise.
No.
That's a surprise for later.
Thank you. But we have questions to ask you, Varun, as well.
I thought it was only me asking always.
No, we
It
have
was the other
questions to
way.
ask you. So you have like so many amazing beauties performing this time in IFA. We have Katrina and you have Alia. Who's your preferred movie star between them?
Between both of them.
Katrina and Alia?
I mean, they both are like different looking.
Most people are different looking. We're different from each other as well.
I like both. I mean, I like both.
You
can
like
both.
both?
Great. That's what you should say.
Yeah, I like both.
You like both?
I like both. They both
All right.
are very nice human beings.
Yeah.
They're nice people.
Oh, and that's what you look for in a
a
their
dance
quality of humanity.
No, like in a dancer.
In a dance.
I mean, you
But
want
they're
the-
not dancers. They're
Your
movie
personality
stars. They're
shows,
actors.
right?
yeah, you
Yeah.
want, like, I feel if there's goodness within it, comes out in the
comes out,
performance,
yeah.
even if you're like doing like the Chikni Chameli step. I mean, the
Yeah.
goodness always comes through.
Especially in the Chikni.
Especially in a song like that. Definitely.
Okay. All right. This is your first time in IFA.
Already feeling like I'm getting ragged now on stage. I'm feeling.
No,
No, I love you too much to rag you, but this is your first time in IFA. So what do you think is going to be your biggest take back from this humongous event that's going to unfold on the 13th of July?
Should I say what I'm doing? I can say, okay, so this time, I think first time in my career, what I'm doing is I'm paying tribute to my father. So I'm going to be performing on all his songs, starting from Swarg,
Oh.
coming down to
Well done.
Main Tera Hero, and eventually we'll be doing one of the newer songs of Judwa too also.
Okay, fantastic.
brilliant.
Well, we look forward. We're doing a segment with you
Yeah.
as well.
Yeah.
So are you looking forward to that, Zev?
of course I am.
Yeah.
As
Why?
I'm asking myself that also. Because, you know, he's so lovely and nice and talented and humble and
Available.
handsome. I mean, you know.
He's also going to be
I don't know if
there.
that's the right adjective.
That is a very important prerequisite to host
yes.
availability. Access,
Present.
availability,
Alive.
all that.
You can message me anytime, I'll be there.
Thank you, Varun. And thank you. Now,
Thank you.
Thank you. Now, Savas will come on stage and hopefully take over.
Thank you, Subhas.
Thank you, guys. Thank you very much. Give them a huge round of applause, guys.
This is a good question.
हम लोग बहुत खुश हैं कि क्योंकि जो आईफा हमारे देश का बहुत बड़ा अवार्ड है और न्यूयॉर्क में जाके हम लोग ये अवार्ड रखते हैं परफॉर्म करने वाले बहुत सारे बड़े बड़े आर्टिस्ट हैं उधर सलमान खान, कटरीना कैफ, आलिया भट्ट, AR रहमान, शाहिद कपूर, सैफ अली खान, करण जौहर। तो मुझे तो बहुत खुशी मिल रही है सब
Sushant.
सबके साथ।
Sushant
सुशांत है,
Liya.
कीर्ति है।
So now you have to name everybody. Then say Ilka Liya. I don't know. This is it.
और जितने भी लोग हैं उनके साथ मुझे
आलिया।
बहुत खुशी मिल रही है जाके परफॉर्म।
Sushant.
But especially to be with Saif and Karan is a great joy. I've seen Saif hosting on stage and I think he's the wittiest and one of the best hosts we have. And Karan, I owe my career to him, so I think, and he is very talented.
Oh, you are here.
Sumit.
Hello. जी जी
Yeah.
तो आई थिंक वो चैलेंज ज़रूर होगा हमारे लिए ताकि इसका ये मतलब होगा कि हमें बहुत अच्छी तरह रिहर्स करनी होगी ताकि हम एग्जैक्ट दैट वी गोइंग लाइव सो वी हैव टू बी मोर प्रेप एंड आई थिंक यू नो क्या होता रहता है और हमेशा मेरा ये सजेशन भी था कि नॉर्मली जब लोग होस्ट को लेते हैं तो दे गो वेरी गैग हैवी तो मैंने कहा कि उसको इस बार मैंने ये सजेस्ट किया है कि we should leave the gags to the performing actors.
Excellent.
And we should keep it very
Straight and to the point.
yes,
and
to
get
the
on.
point and move
So
on.
we get on with it.
Yeah.
कि you know normally hosting पे बहुत ज़्यादा emphasis होता है and I don't think people after a point are interested in what we are saying rather than what you are doing on stage and dance.
Yeah, no.
So we should not give ourselves too much importance and move on.
Get straight.
Yeah.
Didn't he just? Sorry, I'm trying to see the difference between the two questions.
He's fooling with
Okay, sorry.
No, so
It's like really similar.
I'm giving a tribute to my father, but besides that, what I also I'm doing is I'm going to be performing at Times Square, which is a big,
Also?
yeah. The day before at Times Square, they're going to have this full IFA Mela and they're going to get these storm dancers. So that
lovely.
that'll be a
huge.
That'll be amazing.
So I'm going to do some songs like of
Good for you, that
Badri
heat.
and some other films of mine over there.
Understanding the
And
heat
the
there.
next day at IFA, obviously with these two fine gentlemen. And yeah, Judwa 2, I'm going to be launching Unchi Hai building over there, the new mix of that. And Tantana, there's some special plans for that. Which
Are
I
they
can't
similar
reveal.
songs, like with new lyrics, probably?
With new lyrics.
Genius song. Live तेरी बंद
The tribute, obviously, we're going to start with
It's
one,
great.
which is one of his early movies.
Love
Coming right
it.
down to Main Tera Hero, and in between, obviously, there's Bol Radha Bol, there's Hero number 1, Coolie number 1, lot of different films, lot of his big tracks, What is Mobile Number, Just Chill, lot of these tracks.
Oh, yeah, quite a big song.
Afternoon, sir.
Sir, please, आप बोलिए. He said he'll only answer your question today.
I think the performances and the awards and people winning it, and I think the event is a big one, you know. We used to do a lot of shows in America in the past and they seem to have become less and less, and now a big quality event like this with so many stars, talented people dancing, hosting, people winning awards, you know, and I think it's a good chance for like the people that love our Indian movies in the audience to kind of interact with us, and it's a really nice live event. It's a good cultural event actually.
Any award function in India or abroad is incomplete without Mr. Karan.
Well, the industry is incomplete without him. The film industry is incomplete without him.
Yeah.
So
But
it's
I'm not
always-
going anywhere.
Inshallah, don't tempt fate.
अपना लाजमी रहता है अपना
बिल्कुल.
हर अवार्ड फंक्शन में अलग-अलग पोस्ट करना है कैसा अनुभव रहता है?
It's a very
Actually,
honest question.
It is a great question.
It's been interesting actually. जब मैं AB देख रहा था अंदर तो मुझे पता चल गया जो पहला शो मैंने होस्ट किया था was for Filmfare Awards in the year 2000 तो मैं 17 साल से host करते आ रहा
Wow.
हूँ. So I've been hosting for 17 years
What
now.
age did you first time?
2000. It was a film. I was 28. I was 28 years old. So I've been hosting for 17 years. अनुभव हमेशा बहुत अच्छा रहता. I enjoy it. जब मैं stage पे रहता हूँ तो I really enjoy the experience.
Are you Anubhav? Are you Anubhav? Who's Anubhav?
Who's Anubhav? He's asked the question. Anubhav.
Oh, sorry.
कैसा Anubhav?
Excuse me. So that's a joke. That's what you expect. All right.
Sorry. So जैसे मैं कह रहा था तो it's been an amazing journey of hosting.
14-15 को एक कम हो जाएगा आएगा. उसके बाद एक बड़ा इवेंट मिस कैटरीना कैफ का बर्थडे भी है.
16 तारीख को.
There's something else as well on the 16th. A cricket match. But Katrina's birthday, is it?
16.
Her 16th birthday.
No, it's on the 16th.
What are you saying? This is my friend, okay?
No, but
We did Phantom together. Yes. Bahubali.
But
The real Bahubali. Bahubali. What do you mean? The
I
industry
just-
is incomplete without Karan Johar. He's one of the arteries in the blood flow of this industry. Throbbing.
Maybe command of language or overall experience for 17 years and something confident.
I really don't know. I'm happy to get a job every year. I have no idea.
You've taken some classes.
Hosting
Classes?
meaning
Like
Rokada.
when you that
Public
obviously helps
speaking.
him, but you said like when you speak to an audience you had taught us this.
Yeah.
And you
Keep your hands like that. That's because I had a problem with my hands.
But you did some elocution
No,
or what
public speaking I done, but I don't know what the quality is. I think just when you're there, you have to
Charm.
play. Charm. You have to play to the gallery, and you have to, like, the people always take the word host and treat themselves like movie stars
an
or
incubator
entities.
of a disease.
But when you're really
Isn't that what it is?
host.
Yeah, the host. Like alien. And where's the host?
oh, what I mean is
Karan said that expert says that okay, people should always believe in rewards and awards. So what is your personal take?
Believe in reward or award.
I think like you believe what you want.
No, as I said, it's great to win it when you win it, and when you lose it, you shouldn't care. It's as
But I think it's
simple.
important to celebrate it together, Like even when you don't win it, it's nice to clap.
Clap
Because
for other people.
there's nothing better than winning something in front of your colleagues. But if there are no colleagues,
Sorry?
Prabhas has been launched into the stratosphere. Oh, where are you? Launched? It's a bit rude.
इंडियन हॉकी टीम ने जिस तरह से परफॉर्म किया जीते हैं उसके बारे में कुछ
Congratulations. to
India's national sport, hockey,
Hockey, congratulations to
And let's not talk about cricket anymore.
But well played to get into the finals.
Yes.
It's always been
See, both of us, both Shahrukh and I, somewhere are in Karan's, writing style. So you have two in, one.
I'm that aloo, na? I fit in.
I feel Karan should make a film again with Saif and Shahrukh because I loved Kalon.
I love hosting with Shahrukh also. I think
Yeah,
he's
he's
so clever
amazing,
and
so
brilliant,
witty.
and but maybe in the future sometime.
He's upset.
Why? Yeah. One sec. Oh. Oh, that was in Hindi. Didn't we just do this? Sorry, what? Oh, that was someone else. What?
No, this is
Yeah.
the new.
Yes. Go on. Yes, I said read the script. That's always good. Nobody gets that. Okay. No, nothing. I think, Sarah is a very bright girl. She's well educated and she's got a nice mind to her. She's humble and she's got lots of well-wishers around her, from her mother to me to Karan to everybody. So she should ask for advice from any of us if she needs it. And very good luck to her. I'm very happy that she's doing something that she's passionate about. It's a beautiful job and she's very lucky to have it.
Trailer अभी वक्त है. Release हो रही है.
That's okay. Now that'll be that's fine.
Not
not
She's reached the temple, but
Last question. Is it last question?
I last want to know that when you guys like you know 2-3 people are hosting together one show or something, does the script matter or do you guys improvise on stage and that makes more fun?
It's very dangerous to improvise. Yes, because you know you don't know where you've gone then. Then the other person can look at you and say,
He doesn't know what
now what?
no, I mean you can minorly improvise as long as you follow the order. You know, you can.
I just lie down there. Yeah, it's all yours. I'll have a coffee and come back. Yeah, no, I mean you improvise a little bit, but you know, in between the blueprint. The love and the oh my god. Karan, the love and the oh my god. And the daddy.
The daddy.
Yeah, it's the daddy.
Hint.
It's pretty obvious. It's like, oh my god, daddy, love.
You think of God, He gives you love, and that love made me a daddy. That's my thought.
And one thing मैं बहुत दिनों से मेरी इच्छा थी
हाँ पूछ लो
after dresses पहनने को jackets वगैरह वो आपने शुरू सबने आपने
Destroy किया है.
मैंने क्या किया है?
Destroy किया लोगों को. Distribute. Have you given camouflage jackets to people?
Hiding in plain view.
Have you?
मैं बहुत फ्लैटर्ड हूँ कि आप मेरे फैशन सेंस के बारे में आपने तो ध्यान से नोटिस किया और ऑब्जर्व किया है. नहीं मैंने किसी को नहीं दिया.
Play on space.
अरे नो थैंक यू. God bless. Thank you.